Hello children, today we'll start with this topic helping verbs. First of all, we'll understand what are verbs. Verbs are action words. Any action that expresses a physical activity such as jump or laugh, or any action that expresses a mental activity such as think or dream. These are what? These are verbs: jump, laugh, think, or dream. Now there are two types of verbs. They are main verbs and helping verbs. Now what do helping verbs do? They help the main verbs in sentence formation. For example, Mr. John is sitting in his garden. Now if I'll say Mr. John sitting in his garden, if I'll only use the main verb here, that is sitting, then the sentence will be incorrect. Mr. John sitting in his garden. This sentence will be incorrect. But if I'll add helping verb here, so the sentence will become now Mr. John is sitting in his garden, and this sentence would be correct then. So these helping verbs help the main verb in sentence formation. One more example is birds are flying in the sky. Now are here is the helping verb and flying here is the main verb. Now helping verbs are also called auxiliary verbs. Helping verbs are put into 6 families here. You can see here in the table. First is be family. In this family, what helping verbs are included? Am, is, are, was, were, be, being, been. Have family: has, have, and had. Now do family: do, does, and did. Can family: can, could. Shall family: shall, should. Will family: will, would. Helping verbs also help us in telling the time. They indicate whether an action is done in the present or in the past. For example, if I would say I am writing a poem, so this helping verb am would help me to identify the time. This means that I am talking about the present time. And if I would say I was writing a poem, then was will tell me that I am talking about the past time. So like this, helping verbs help us in telling the time. Now when a helping verb is followed by a not, then the not can be shortened. We'll see how. See here, for example, will plus not is equals to won't. Will is a helping verb here and it is followed by a not. When we'll combine these two words, not can be shortened and a new word is formed, won't. Likewise, had plus not will give you hadn't. Again we have shortened not here. Can plus not, can't. Have plus not, haven't. Do plus not, don't. Could plus not, couldn't. Will you not go to the park? Again with will, what is being used? Not, and these two could be, not could be shortened here, so will not will become won't. Will you not go to the park? Won't you go to the park?